In 2012, the Nigerian Stock Exchange introduced market making to allow for short lending and borrowing and liquidity in the market. As part of measures to attract investors and ensure confidence in the market, the Stock Exchange has unveiled market makers for bonds. Here are the highlights.
We have been working on coming up with a retail bond trading platform. We worked through the guidelines. We also put out application forms on our website for those that want to be fixed income market makers. I think some weeks back we introduced to you the government stockbroker for DMO. Today we want to introduce to you the fixed income market makers that we've selected. And very soon we'll be coming back to introduce to you the AMCON market maker as well. We've selected 6 market makers. They include Capital Bank Corp, Codros, Don Lauren, FSDH, GTB Securities, and Greenwich Trust. So please, let's give them a round of applause. The minimum capital that we were looking for dedicated to fixed income securities is 570 million naira. And if you were already an equity market maker, your 570 million did not count. You have to come up with a new 570 million. So a new 500 million. And then we also looked at your compliance history with the exchange going back 5 years. So after going through all of that, we've selected the people that are standing up here with me. The next stage will be that we'll start working with them as from tomorrow to finalize the rollout process. Fixed income trading will officially start 1st of February in all of the listed fixed income securities. I think we have about 57 securities across the federal government, states, and corporate bonds. The way this will work, we're not going to have baskets. So the market makers will make markets in all or anyone that they want to make markets.
We are very, very pleased to have been nominated out of the 14 to become fixed income market makers on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. We promised that the volumes and fluctuates would be high, and that all of you here would also be able to benefit from this market. Let's look at fixed income from one perspective. Not a lot of people put their money in these sort of securities, especially you and I as people. Most of us don't buy treasury bills into our own portfolio or buy bonds into our own portfolio. And this is, generally speaking, one of the safest investments that you can have.
Closing prayers.